be part of the mental examination of dismantling the mind. Until you be part of that process, the who am I will not work. Every time you do who am I inquiry, all you have is the mental impression. And the truth is not a mental impression. Truth allows all the impression to come and go, allows to appear and disappear. And the journey, the spiritual journey, the enlightenment journey is about figuring out the background that allows everything to pulse. That's the journey, my friend. And that background is who you are. But that background is not the mind. So it's already there. To recognize, to see that background, to see the nature of the truth is by dissolving the mind, dismantling or subtracting the mind. So be part of that. If you start to work on the self-inquiry of dismantling the mind, it takes a few years. But in few years, less than for people, if you do the work, if you have already created a foundation of being self-aware, if you can sustain the awareness looking at yourself, it won't take even a year. But if you don't have a self-aware, the self-awareness of watching yourself, then it takes more than a year. So, but it won't even take 2 years if you start doing the work of being self-aware and dismantling the mind. Enlightenment is about you recognizing your true nature, the unchanging truth in you. It's already there. So don't say it's not for you. If you're saying no to that, you're saying no to freedom. You're saying, okay, I'm okay to go through the struggle. Okay to go through the pain. But again, I remind you that even you say, I'm okay with my struggle. When you're struggling, there's a desire for freedom. Because every time you struggle, you resist